Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. Before starting to work on your project, you need to first configure your account. To do that, you need to go to your account settings, which you may find upon clicking your profile picture thumbnail. Account settings let you edit your profile information, such as your name, as well as your company name, your industry, your job title, and your country. You may also view and update your login information here. Of course, you may update and save your signature and initials on the account settings. To save your signature, you have three options. You can either draw, upload a photo of your signature, or type in your signature and select from the preset fonts that we have. Additionally, you may also save multiple signature on our signature folder in case you have different types of signature for different documents. That's all for the account settings. Thank you and see you at the next video.